So what video we will make today, engineer? Slab casting, ramp. So it's an inclined one. So I have one question for you. Oh, you will not hear me. You don't have the mic. You have the mic, no? No, it's okay. I have one question. If you are casting ramp, what is the allowable slump to avoid segregation? No. Why 220? No. It's around 180 to 190, like this. You will need the minimum slump. If it's the maximum, segregation will be there because it's inclined. So you need the minimum slump possible. It will be prone for honeycombs, but it will not be segregated. I learned this from one of my seniors, so I'm sharing it. Especially for cinemas, like 45 degrees or more steep, like more than 45 degrees, it should be minimum slump. So what should I? So am I right or wrong?